When making a custom cushion template, you need paper marker or pen or pencil and scissors. You will first start by laying a piece of paper on the chair seat, pressing the paper flat all along the bottom of the seat. Now, you will draw around the outside edges of the seat, or where you would like the cushion to be, and cut out the shape. Keep in mind that we will make the cushion to the exact shape and size of the template that you cut out and provide for us. After you have cut out the pattern, test that your pattern fits as well as possible. If you need to reshape an area or extend your pattern, just make sure you securely tape the paper together. Assuming that your furniture is symmetrical, you will need to check the symmetry of your pattern by folding your template in half to make sure that the two sides of your template match in shape and size. Again, double-check that your pattern fits your furniture. Remember, we only need one pattern for each shape of cushion that you need. Lastly, please mark your pattern with your name, invoice number, the thickness, width, the depth, the quantity, your fabric choice, style, the front and back of the cushion, where the zipper should be, ties, break locations, and any other important or helpful information.